you feel guilty. I now have a relationship where I totally trust you. And that is how that's established with women. That is how it's established with women. So y'all have to be careful because it's women that teach you not to have boundaries. It's women that teach you, have taught you that exercising a line in the sand is a sign of confrontation and being not wanting to be like us. It's like, okay, well, I thought you wanted to be like us. I like you because you want to be like me. The only reason why I like you and I want to be your friend is because I know you want to be like me. If you draw a line in the sand, you don't really want to be like me. And if you don't want to be like me, I can't trust you. If you don't want to be like me, I can't trust you. And this all women are evaluating when they look at you, when they talk to you, when they smile with you, when y'all go out for drinks together and y'all go to the club or whatever it is y'all doing. It's the establishment of trust is based on how much you want to be me. And what happens to that once you start losing weight? Because some of y'all know, okay, I lost 10 pounds and I lost a friend. Once you start losing weight or doing anything ambitious in a direction that isn't the same as them, they don't trust you anymore. They don't like you anymore. So you're liked based on your needs, not who you are. You are liked based on how vulnerable you are, how much you need from them emotionally. That is how they assess whether you're not. If you are totally emotionally independent, you're not going to have too many friends. You're not going to be the life of the party. You're just not. You're just not. People who have a lot of friends talk a lot of shit and they bend over backwards for a lot of people. They're giving money, that they are financing friendships, financing relationships, and this includes relationships with men too. They're appeasing a lot of people. Somebody who's liked by a lot of people is a bullshitter. Okay? A bullshitter. Let me see here. Let me see here what y'all saying here. The insidious thing I've learned about women in real life is that they will struggle too, but still make fun of your shortcomings. Yes. That's why women manipulate. Women's manipulation is very different than a man. Yes. And I've said this before. A woman you can feed her. You can clothe her. You can share your tax returns with her. You can give her your couch to sleep on. And she hates you or she's jealous of you, even though she's giving you a place to stay, even though she's giving you a bottle of wine and a bowl of grill. She could still be jealous of you. So it happens either way. Either you serving her, supporting her, or giving to her, and she's still